Mayong buntag sa kabuntagon. So what's up guys? Nami karon sa Aviana National School guys. We are group 6. We are vloggeries, the projectives. So ang among vlogger guys, ako sa introduce akong self guys. Ako na si Gia Dinyo Fernando, as you know. And this is my group mates.
Ako naman si Kelvin J. Emphasis.
Valance, Veronga.
Jan Cabel. So guys, before na ito sugdan itong vlog guys, mag-transition na ta guys, manglupad mi guys ha. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! So guys, dali na kayo minabot guys. So what's up guys? Nasa ko sa inyo tubangan karon, ako sa ka-vlogger ninyo. So ako sa explain kung unsay mechanics sa tong duwa. So mag-English sa taro na. Ay wa am tas Bisaya ron. So kay namas nakabutang cellphone o English ta. Okay. Ever wondered what the chances are of running crossing the finish line first? Or how many times the runner will break the 100-meter sprint record? Well now, today, we'll break down the probability behind track and field performances. So kabawan mo guys. Hi guys! So out na ang probability questions to solve. So first, what is the probability of finishing the race under 15 seconds? Second, what is the probability that two runners finish within the same second? Number 3, what is the probability that someone finishes in exactly 12 seconds? That's all, thank you.
Go.
As a former golden medalist of SEA Games, so ako introduce guys ang mga runner guys, So guys, I'm going to introduce the runners. So, the number one lane, Emphasis. Second lane, Kabilyan. Third lane, Elshad. And fourth lane is the Ligdig. Get ready for the final battle. Yan na. Uno.
Ate, kisuga sa buang sa ko ni. Ni, pabor ko. Ako nakauna.
So ang fourth kay si Daligdig. And third is si Emphasis. Second,
Yes.
so guys, nanata sa karon guys. So manana naman ta guys. Ngani ra kadali ang games guys. Sumaw ni akong mga kauban. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Hi guys. So this is a vlog. This vlog combines sports and statistics to explore probability in a 100-meter dash challenge. It follows a structured approach demonstrating how to collect, analyze, and visualize race time data. Summary of the vlog. First, introduction. The vlog begins with an energetic countdown introducing team members and explaining the goal. To record race time, analyze probability distributions, and visualize result using a histogram. Second, race and rules. Participants run a 100-meter dash under time records. The vlog poses key probability questions such as what is the probability of finishing under 15 seconds? What is chance that two runners finish the finish in the same seconds. What is the probability of a runner finishing in exactly 12 seconds? Number 3. Probability calculation. The race times are grouped into intervals. Using a probability distribution, the likelihood of finishing within a given range is calculated. Number 4. Data visualization. The collected data is organized into a table and displayed using a histogram to represent frequency distribution, helping viewers to understand trends and race times. Number 5. Conclusion and reflection. The blog summarizes key learnings comparing theoretical probability versus actual results, and ends with a fun sign of encouraging engagement. Why it's engaging? Combine sports and math, making probability fun and interactive. Uses real-world data, helping viewers to connect statistics to everyday life. Visual elements, table, histograms. Make abstract concept easy to understand. This blog is creative way to teach probability through an interactive challenge, making math engaging